I'm getting it on video, mate. Shush. Shush, shush. It's come round for a second pass, look.
Trying to bombard us.
He's coming. See him?
Oh yeah, it starts raining, it's good.
He's come straight for us. He's coming back again, I think. Look.
Oh no.
He's going up for another one.
And that was literally right under us, wasn't there?
Yeah, wait for him, look. That was awesome. How lucky are you? You see things like that all the time,
He
yeah?
was literally right over.
Yeah, he's coming in. Here he comes.
Oh god, it's coming straight for us as well. It's looking, it's like its nose is right at us.
Oh, yeah.
Does it actually come down that low with a fire out?
Yeah, of course it does. If it was in a battle, it'd be doing that, wouldn't it?